Hello, hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. It is Monday, so it is time for personalized card, and today I've got another Mother's Day card for you. This time I'm going to use Create a Card Cutting by Exquisite Butterfly by Crafter's Companion. In the set you also have beautiful outline dies, and that's what we're going to use to create our base. I'm just going to mist the top, and I'm going to use that as opening for my card. Super quick and easy, and I use 300 GSM white card. Then I die cut the top layer one more time, and using those two beautiful smaller butterflies, I'm going to use design papers from my stash, and I chose beautiful Watercolour Feelings. I absolutely love all those beautiful colors and patterns, and to be honest, it took me a couple of minutes to decide which one I'm going to use for today's project. However, I stayed with some beautiful florals and some purple for the top layer. So now I'm going to die cut all these elements, and first you have to decide exactly where to put your outline die first. And this one was actually pretty tricky because I was checking where I will have all those beautiful florals inside the butterfly, and then using the outline and also that beautiful elegant design, I'm going to die cut two of them at the same time, and using my low tack tape I will make sure that these dies won't move when I put them through my die cutting machine. And literally we've got all the elements ready for today's project. To add a little bit more interest and color, I'm going to use a scrap piece of paper and two distress oxide inks, because you probably know me, I love using some colors on the edges, and to do it I decided to start with Kitsch Flamingo for that beautiful floral butterfly, and for the purple one I'm going to use Dusty Concord, and all the names of the products I use in today's video will be in the description down below. So if you're interested, you can check them out. I wonder, what was the most unusual card shape you created? Please let me know in the comments down below. I've never used butterfly for a Mother's Day card, so I thought, why not? And this card is actually for my mom. She knows I love butterflies and I love purple, so this card is very special to me. Although it is super simple, I still think it's very beautiful with all those florals and beautiful colors. Please let me know, what do you think about this color combo for Mother's Day card? Now I've got my magic glue, liquid glue, one and only glue I usually use for my paper crafting, and I'm going to start assembling all those elements. So as you can see, it is super quick and simple, and this card in total took me like 15 minutes to put together. So if you have never ever created a shape card for Mother's Day or even birthday, please do it. You'll have so much fun, and it is so special, and the recipient will absolutely love it. And I wonder, how often do you use butterflies in your card making? Now I decided to burnish all those layers, and as you can see I usually turn it over and burnish with my fingers. Now it is that time to put that top layer on our card base, and we do need something in the middle. And yes, we do need a sentiment. And to create our sentiment, I use two cutting die sets from Tonic Studio. There are two different alphabet sets. I use different one for the capital letters and for the lowercase letters. And I absolutely love those fonts. I do think they really go well together. So it is perfect for literally any sentiment you want to create. And I wonder, how often do you use your own alphabet sets to create very unique sentiments? Please let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, my magic glue is perfect to adhere all those beautiful letters because it has that very thin, narrow nozzle, and it's perfect for very tiny die cuts. When this is ready, you probably guessed it, it is time to add a little bit of shimmer, and I'm going to use some gold gems. And our card is finished. Please let me know, what do you think about this? As you can see, there is lots of space to write your message inside, and what's really cool about this card, it actually stands proudly on a flat surface, so you can display it literally any way you want. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because every Monday and Thursday I've got videos on my channel. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!